clicked how to connect Slack to n8n and you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Chris, a solution architect, and I build AI workflows so that you don't have to. So here's today's plan. We'll send a Slack message from n8n, then trigger a workflow with an app mention. I'll flag the one scope people miss and the simple URL swap you need when you go live. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable Slack to n8n template. Grab this exact JSON template in my automation vault. The link's in the bio. Let's jump in. So let's do a quick demo of what you're going to build today. I'm going to app mention my bot, Chris Torrington bot. Say hello to my YouTube viewers. And there you go. Hello to all your YouTube viewers. Hope you're having an amazing day and enjoying the content. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Before we begin building our n8n workflow, we have to set up our Slack API. So let's go do that. Go to www.api.slack.com/apps, then click on create an app. And then click on from scratch. We're going to give it an app name, so we'll call it Chris Torrington bot, and I'm going to pick my workspace. Now click on create app. Next, scroll down to OAuth and permissions. Scroll down until you get to bot token scopes. So the first one we're going to do is app_mentions read, so that our bot can get the app mentions trigger. The next one's going to be read channel. This is so that the bot can see the channel. After that, it'll be join channel, so that the bot can join our channel. Add chat write, so that the bot can post back. And finally, groups read, so that it can view the basic information about the group. Scroll up back to the top, and then I want you to click on install into your workspace. And then click on install your app name. Cool, now you should see a success message. That's the base setup done. Our app's been created, our scope's been set, and our bot has been installed into our workspace. Now let's move on to the next part. Before we set up the n8n workflow, let's make the channel and invite our Slack bot. So in Slack, click on the three dots and then click on create channel. I'm going to call mine YouTube. Click on next, and then leave it as public anyone in Chris Torrington. So inside the channel, let's mention our Chris Torrington bot, and then just press enter. You'll see a Slack message asking if you want to add them to the channel or not. Click add them. Now you'll see your bot has been added to the channel. So let's go into n8n and add our Slack trigger node. So click on the plus sign and search for Slack. We're going to add the onBot app mention, and now we're going to go ahead and set up our Slack credentials. So click on the downward facing arrow and click on create new credential, and then go back into the Slack API and make sure you're on the OAuth and permissions tab. Copy the bot user OAuth token, go back to n8n and paste it in the access token field. Now go back into the Slack API and go to basic information. What you want to do is show your signing secret and then copy and paste that into your signature secret there. Now click on save, and then you'll see the connection tested successfully. After that, make sure that the channel to watch is the channel that you added. So I'm going to go ahead and select YouTube. So I want you to open the webhook URLs, copy the test URL, then go into the Slack API, make sure you're on the event subscription tab, then click on enable events and paste the test URL there. You'll then see your URL didn't respond with the value challenge parameter. Go back into n8n and then click on the execute step button. You should now see that it's listening for a test event. Now go back into Slack and click on retry. You'll now see that the request URL has been verified. We need to now make our bot subscribe to events. So click on the add bot user event and then select app_mention. Click on save changes. Now our bot can listen to app mentions in the Slack channel. If you're finding this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit subscribe for more n8n builds. Now let's go and set up our AI agent. So click on the plus sign, search for AI agent, and then we'll just set up a few things. So for our chat model, we'll use OpenAI, and I'm just going to use GPT 4.1 mini here. Go back into the AI agent, and now let's add a system message. So we'll just write you are a helpful assistant for now. And then go back into your Slack channel and mention your bot. Now click on enter. Now we'll go back to our n8n workflow and you'll see that the Slack trigger has been executed. Double click on the Slack trigger node and then pin the data and then click on save. Okay, let's go and configure our AI agent now. Double click on the AI agent. So we're going to change our source for the prompt. Change this to define below, and then drag the text from the Slack message to the prompt. Now we'll click on execute step. And you can see our AI agent has now responded to the message. So our last step is to post this message back to the Slack channel. So after the AI agent, click on the plus sign, search for the Slack node, and then we're going to search for the send a message node. So here we want to go send a message to a channel, and then we'll select our YouTube channel once again. And then I want you to drag and drop the output from the message text. And then add the option, include link to the workflow, and turn that off. Now let's click on execute step, and we'll check our Slack channel for the message. Now you can see our AI agent's response in the Slack channel. So the final step is to turn this on for production. In order to do that, we'll have to go to our Slack trigger again, click on the webhook URLs and click on production URL. Copy this URL. Now go back into your Slack API, and I want you to click on change your request URL and paste your production URL. Go back into n8n and double click on the Slack trigger. I want you to unpin the data, and then go back into your workflow and then click on active. Now let's go back to Slack API and click on retry. And you'll see that it's been verified, so click on save changes. So our final test, let's message our Slack bot. And perfect, our AI agent is now production ready and answers all of our questions in our Slack channel. And that's it. If you want the exact n8n workflows, go to my automation vault, the link's in the bio, and subscribe for more n8n tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.